The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X is making waves as the most advanced version of the Corvette ever created. But what really takes it over the top is the introduction of a very exclusive package, the Quail Silver Limited Edition. This is not just a different paint job, it is a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and pure performance. Chevrolet is bringing back a factory matte finish for the first time in over 6 decades. The Blade Silver matte color pays homage to the classic Inca silver that once graced the first-generation Corvette between 1957 and 1959. This modern matte take gives the ZR1X a premium presence that feels futuristic yet rooted in tradition. Only the ZR1X 3LZ convertible will be offered with the Quail Silver Limited Edition package, and each one will come with a special plaque marking it as a numbered build. From the unique paint to the black exhaust tips, orange brake calipers, and carbon flash mirrors, it is a striking combination that feels purpose-built for collectors. The interior is just as exciting. Chevrolet pairs sky cool gray with medium ash gray and adds bold Habanero orange accents. This interior palette will also be made available across the 2026 Corvette range, but it feels especially fitting inside the limited edition ZR1X. Powering this American hypercar is a hybrid setup that produces a staggering 1,250 horsepower thanks to the combination of the twin turbocharged LT758 engine and an electric motor on the front axle. That kind of output means 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, blisteringly quick by any standard. The ZR1X lineup starts at $207,395 United States dollars for the 1LZ Coupe, while the 1LZ convertible begins at $217,395 United States dollars. Moving up, the 3LZ Coupe starts at $218,395 United States dollars, and the convertible at $228,395 United States dollars. As for the Quail Silver Limited Edition, pricing starts at $241,395 United States dollars before delivery costs. Production of the ZR1X will begin before the end of 2025, with all units built proudly in Bowling Green, Kentucky, using a mix of parts from the United States and other global sources. The official unveiling of the Quail Silver Limited Edition will take place at the Quail, a motorsports gathering, on August 15th in Carmel, California. There is also the ZTK Performance package available, which includes upgrades like stiffer springs, tweaked chassis settings, a carbon fiber aerodynamic kit, and Michelin Pilot Cup 2R tires, all aimed at serious track enthusiasts. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss more in-depth looks at high-performance vehicles like this one.